How to check 12 starter battery health on MG MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now all you need to do is use here the upper menu and select here the status. So now you've got 12 battery voltage. So even electric vehicles use a small standard 12-volt battery to run things like the radio, headlights and computer screens. This line shows the live electric voltage, currently reading a healthy 13.5 voltage. So you can make sure the battery is strong enough to power your car system without dying. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.